Okay. ¿Ya lo sentiste? Oh yeah. Heavy. Just to show you how heavy and how great this material is, like how heavy duty this material is. You need 3 guys, 4 guys just to lift it. It's hundreds of pounds, this material.
Today, Camacho Blinds is heading into Versailles and Wellington for a clean motorized patio screen install.
Me compré una mesa con 4 patas que la desapa y la pone así.
So Phil, what's the plan for today?
Okay, so today we got a neat one. We actually got put this down. We actually got a motorized screen attached to a stationary door. So you guys will see the convenience of this. This gives you ultimate convenience. It gives you such a great solution because you can have a door. You got best of both worlds in one opening. So here's the door that we pre-built, and now in this space, this open space, we're about to put our motorized shade. You guys will see at the end. The advantage of that, if this is down, and I'm going out to here. Leave that one down, don't have to worry about it. Okay? So we put a door, we put a heavy-duty aluminum bar here, very strong for heavy winds. Yeah, down there. Yeah. All right, Jake, here you go. So we got everything we need, full station for patios. I just wanted to bring the broom in the dust bag. So you got these shades that are wind rated for rain, for bugs, for sun, for the outside elements, right? And they're pretty pricey. So they're very heavy. These, I think it's 250 pounds, you know? The other one's 200 pounds, so you need the right equipment to carry this stuff. You just can't throw this in the back of a Honda. You know, look at the sheer size of this thing, you know? So having the right equipment, having the right personnel, having that, all that leads to a professional job at the end. It's not just, hey, put up the blind. It's, how do I get it to your home? How do I professionally install this? We've gone to training for this. This is a trained, planned event. This is not, hey, we decided one day to put the shades. We have gone to training for this type of installation. Lift it up and up. We came to do the estimate. There was an existing unit here, that was very, very old, and an existing door that was very, very old. So the client wanted to replace that. So we're doing the same thing, but we're modernizing. We're making it even stronger than before.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm Orlando Electrician with Frax Electric as usual. We offer excellent work at reasonable rates with tons of references. So if there's an electrical project in your home or business, I'm the man for the job. Frax Electric is a licensed and insured company. Today we're here with Camacho Windows once again, and we're going to do yet another installation of these electronic awnings. And little by little, we're going to go through the processes of what we do and how we assist Camacho in installing these units. It's fairly interesting. And of course, it's top quality installation you're not going to find with any other company.
Hay que medir el ancho y cuando esté puesto le hacemos el puesto de arriba, le vamos a hacer el hueco.
¿Los huecos se hacemos arriba también?
El hueco se lo vamos a hacer arriba. Ah, no, lo de adelante no, yo te pensaba que eres de la corriente. No, hace lo de la parte de adelante, para atrás, 3 pulgadas.
3 pulgadas, vamos a ir.
Recto para.
Aquí va el último juego y ya vamos marcando ya abajo.
A una boca grande lo meto con el agarro y entonces este me lo va a tapar de esa manera. Ahora voy a vaciar para atrás para que tape el angulato que lo ponga porque me lo tape.
What we're doing is we're pre-pirating this screw in, so we go through the screw in into the steel. So that we put the dress plate on it. Not only will it cover the hole, but it'll act as a double barrier. So that gives it more rigid control, more rigid strength. Space to the next piece.
We're thinking about high winds. So if you're thinking about high winds, we need to make sure that we're putting extra base, you know, strong, for it to catch those high winds and resist to it.
Now that was a screw plate.
Hey, look at that.
Full weight on there.
So we added a stationary door, but the stationary door is very thin, right? So then we came and added a 2x6 beam, 2x6 aluminum beam, and then now we cut our angle to it, and we cut the beam to the screen. So we're just making this very heavy duty process. I keep mentioning for wind, very heavy duty, weight resistant, wind resistant process. This is just our process of installation. If we're gonna do a project, we're gonna do it right. So the previous homeowner had installed one of these units many years ago, and they installed it on the outer side of it. So you're gonna see the holes. We're actually patching the holes. So if we're gonna do it right. We're patching the holes of another contractor that did it. We're patching his holes because now we're fully responsible for what we're doing. ¿Quién está más heavy que ellos tenían puesto?
No. Sí, pero que no queremos que se te dañe porque después te quedas sin trabajo.
Mándame precio.
Estoy metiendo, no tienes idea la fuerza que te estoy metiendo.
Bro, shut. I love installing like that.
Arriba blanco.
I didn't see it either.
Motorized shades compared to stationary screen. The reason a motorized shade is better, number one, it gets out of your way. So it's not stationary, it gets out of your way. Number two, it catches bugs, right? So stationary screens catches bugs too. We can catch bugs. Number three that the stationary screen cannot do for you is block the sun. We can block the solar. We can block that heat coming in. We can do a solar screen, and the stationary world you can only do a bug screen, right? Block some sun, but doesn't block enough sun like a solar does. We can also block the rain, something that a stationary screen cannot do. So motorized screens has much more versatile. It's much more versatile than a stationary screen, and that's why they've taken off in the market. They've given a solution to a known problem like the sun, like water. So now we're catching all those things with one system, and it gets out of your way. It's the best of both worlds.
The other thing about a motorized screen versus a stationary one, if you're by yourself and you want a little bit of privacy, you close, you're in your own little cave.
Correct.
You get to enjoy life.
Good.
But if you have a bunch of kids in the pool, like this house in particular, like many houses, you want people running in and out. Raise the screen, you've just elongated the size of your home.
So question, so for a pool party, raise it,
Raise it, the whole world, and everybody's
You got the
in it.
pizza go, you got everybody. Now, let's say afternoon, evening, you have a cocktail,
You have a
whatever.
nice barbecue.
You got the sun hitting you. Now you're gonna break it down.
Nice barbecue closer, you have all this private space.
Exactly. So you build an indoor-outdoor living
You
with a
create
motorized
an
screen.
indoor. The other thing about it, the one thing I don't know why you guys are not necessarily bringing this to everybody's attention.
Cooler, yeah, 30%.
When this unit drops, and I've done this by thermostat, this room is actually 30 degrees cooler than nature itself. That in its own is well worth the investment.
Correct. So, rain, sun, bugs, privacy, up and down. Have it when you want it. Don't have it when you want it.
The relatives that you don't want.
Yeah. So it's great overall. Give us a call. Camacho Blinds.
Dale un precio. Y el banco no da más.
So the caulking, we're just sealing it for water, bugs. We seal the perimeter of the entire system. It's the right way to do things. It's the right. If you install, do it right every single time. Every single time. Not only a patio shade, if you're doing an interior shade, or just as far as Camacho Blinds is concerned, we're gonna do it right every single time.
Today was just those two big ones.
You're very fine. We're allowed to breathe. We're allowed to This is something that she can handle. She's tired, she puts it down.
Yeah, mobile companies. Get that big truck here nice. All right.
Cases where electricity is available for me that I didn't have to crawl into the crawl space. But I cannot take away an outlet for a client. So we use these little devices. This will serve as the means of disconnect for your motor unit. And this will serve as a convenience outlet for whatever the client wants. If you want to do hang, string lights, or festoon lights or something, you can grab it off of here. Just a small convenience for everybody.
That's excellent.
Camacho Blinds, let's take it high. Custom creations reach for.
So here we are, we got our motorized system attached to a door. So now if you want quick access, you're in your home, you can leave that down, and you got quick access in and out. Or you could also put your feet up, and then you'll have both options coming in and out. So this is something that we're able to do, guys, to any opening. We're able to attach a door. We can even put the door in the middle and put 2 units. We could put 2 doors and 2 units. We could do 1 door, 1 unit. Of course, redundant, right? So I would do, here we did 1 motorized and the door. We actually took off existing stuff. We also painted, we did electrical. We did the whole thing the right way. Camacho Blinds.
Take it high. Custom create.